Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10e, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications. Now go to the settings, which are here. Scroll down and select biometrics and security. So it's this icon, this one. Scroll down and pick other security settings. And now just scroll down one more time, and under install from device storage you will notice clear credentials. So if you want to remove all certificates, just tap on this icon. You have to confirm that you want to remove all content, because this operation cannot be undone, but if you do, just tap on OK. And credential storage have been cleared. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.